Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Odette. I would like to show you something I'm planning to do today. I apologize for the voice. I have had a bad cold over the new year and it's still not shifting. So I hope you can understand when I'm talking. So this is a tray. I bought in Aldi about 3 years ago I think. I really like it. It really goes well with my farmhouse industrial vibe, and I use it on the kitchen table, the dining table, to put things in. It's not just to decorate the table. What I like to have a centerpiece in the table, but I keep also the napkins holder and the salt and pepper set. So it's not just decorative, but it's also quite useful, because then I keep that items we use several times a day, then is at hand, is just there to use and put back. So I find it quite useful. So it's quite flat, as you can see, and I would like to create some height. So after I have done all the cleaning and remove all the Christmas decorations and I'm putting everything back in place, I thought I might take the opportunity to do something with the tray. So this is leftover from a bookcase that I upcycled for the upstairs. Because of the slope in the ceiling, in the loft area, the feet are too big, so I asked Mr. B to cut some off. I didn't want to take the feet all together because I didn't like to see the bottom shelf sitting flat on the floor, so I wanted a bit. So for you to have an idea, this is the original one, and this is what I'm left with. So as you can see, Mr. B left a little bit there on the shelf unit, and it looks really pretty. So I'm left with these bits, and I'm thinking if I put them like so, can you see there? It will look really nice. So this should be quite straightforward because they're already stained, and I just put them down. Just make sure it's equal all the way around. So just for you to see better. So that's the idea. It just elevates the tray a little bit from the kitchen table, and I think will look really nice. So it should be quite straightforward process. Once I'm happy with the location of the feet, I will just screw directly through the metal and into the wood. So there you go. The first one is on. And now I just center the other one. I'm not being too picky about it, give or take, as long as it looks symmetrical. I think it should be okay there. And now I turn around so that I can get better look. I mean, it doesn't need to be perfect, as long as it looks right. There you go. So it just helps to elevate the tray, and I think it looks much better. So now all we need to do is to dress the tray. So we are back in the house now, and I want to show you how I set up the tray. As you can see, it's here, and what I do, that's my napkin holder. I always keep it in here because it's on the dining table and it's useful because you can use it, you know, all the time. I have this beautiful flower arrangement that Queen Bee have given me for Christmas. So I think the colors are really nice still for this time of the year, although Christmas is over. You can never go wrong with red. So I put that there. I have this I bought in Dunlop Mill many years ago, and it's a very nice story behind it. I do have this word around a few times because it's quite personal to me. So I'll put like so. My salt and pepper set. I seen this in Pinterest once, a couple of years ago, and I liked it so much, and I said to Mr. B, oh, can we do one for us? So I did this salt and pepper set. Everyone finds it really cute. I'm still using it every day. So I leave it there, and I have, it's my souvenir from Belgium from about 16, 17 years ago. He lost one of his ears, but I like it so much. I haven't found nothing as cute to replace it, so I still have it. That's for the toothpick. Not that they're really used, but it's cute, so I'll keep it in here. So, yes, so that's my tray set up in the dining table. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to give the thumbs up. If you like my videos, please subscribe and let me know. I have a couple of these trays around the house. I think it just gives it a nice and neat display around the house. You just put things together. If you like to see more of these type of videos, please let me know. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.